Hi friends, I'm attorney Raymond Rodes, a startup lawyer, and our topic today is foreign ownership rules businesses like you need to know. So today we'll be dividing our discussion based on three areas. First, we'll talk about the basics of foreign ownership that you should know. Second, we'll be talking about the three business structures, aka the corporation, the representative office, and the branch office, and comparing them based on their capital requirement or how much money you need to open, which type of clients can they service, and who can actually open these type of businesses. Lastly, we'll talk about the benefits of being registered. The most important principle you should remember here in the Philippines is that we are Filipino first, meaning that our government and our laws favor Filipino ownership over foreign ownership. However, the general rule actually is that foreigners can invest in most industries provided you have enough capital. So the capital requirement will vary. It can either be $30,000 or $200,000 depending on the business structure that you pick. However, the exception is if you are part of the foreign investment negative list. This is a list of industries that have special rules where the capital requirement might be higher or where foreigners might be totally prohibited from engaging in. Examples of industries with special rules would be mining, retail, advertising, mass media. These are industries that have public interest, and so our laws prefer that these remain primarily in Filipino hands. So now we'll talk about the three types of business structures for foreign investors. The first is the corporation. Corporation is actually an artificial being. This basically means that if you have a foreign business, aka Apple United States, you can put up a child domestic corporation, aka Apple Philippines, and they will be two separate businesses. However, if you want Apple USA to own 100% of Apple Philippines, you will need to have the magic number, which is $200,000 to have full foreign ownership. If you have below $200,000 you can only own up to 40%, which means that you will need to find a Filipino partner for the other 60%. The second type of business structure is the representative office. The representative office is really just the back office of a foreign company. You cannot be the back office of a foreign individual, meaning that you will actually need a registered US, UK, or Singaporean company if you want to open up a representative office. The trade-off here is that you cannot generate income from the Philippines because you are a back office. You should be servicing foreign clients. And this is actually a popular choice for certain companies such as business process outsourcing units or BPOs and call centers because they are exempted from most types of tax because you are not really generating income here in the Philippines. The magic number is $30,000 which the foreign company has to bring here into the Philippines in order to subsidize the representative office. So the representative office is actually a good choice if you are not intending to get any Filipino clients. The third type of business structure is the branch office. Think of it as kind of an in-between between the corporation and the representative office. It's similar to the corporation because it requires $200,000 in capital, and it's similar to the branch office because it's basically an extension of a foreign company. However, the big difference here is that you can actually get Filipino clients. However, the trade-off, of course, is if you're generating income in the Philippines, you'll be taxed in the Philippines. So a branch office is a good in-between if you don't want to start a separate business, but you want to get Filipino clients. So to recap the three business structures, the corporation, the representative office, and the branch office, the capital requirement for the corporation and the branch office are both $200,000. We have to note that the $200,000 for the corporation is only if you want to be 100% fully foreign owned. We can go less than that amount if we want 40% foreign ownership. In fact, we can go as low as $100. As to client base, however, we can service both foreign and Filipino clients if we are either a corporation or a branch office. However, a representative office can only service foreign clients. Lastly, as to who can own and operate these types of business structures, if you have a foreign business, your choices are corporation, representative office, and branch office. However, if you do not have a registered foreign business and you're only a foreign individual, your only option is the corporation. So keep these in mind. Fun fact though, if you're looking for tax incentives available to foreign companies, such as the Board of Investments or BOI, or Philippine Economic Zone Authority or PEZA registrations, this is only applicable for corporation or a branch office, because if you are a representative office, you're already exempt from income tax. So it's actually the corporation or branch office which will benefit most from the PEZA or BOI tax incentives. So what are the benefits of registration as a foreign investor? There are three main benefits. First benefit is you can actually sue, meaning you can actually go to court to enforce your employment agreements, your memorandum of agreements. You can actually defend your legal rights. Remember, if you go here in the Philippines and you are not registered, you can still be sued, but you cannot sue people back in return. The second benefit is you can actually hire Filipino employees. You can actually withhold their government-mandated benefits such as PhilHealth, SSS, and Pag-ibig. And you can actually keep these valued professionals on payroll. Third is that you actually protect your investment. If you try to go around these foreign investment rules, you will actually be subject to the anti-dummy law, which can actually lead to jail for you and your Filipino partners. So that was our topic for today, foreign investment. If you'd like to know more about corporations vis-a-vis sole proprietorship, we actually compared the two in this video over here. We'll also link this in the description. If you enjoyed this topic, please feel free to like and subscribe, or message me and comment if you have any questions. So thank you again, friends, and I hope to see you in our next video. Take care. Bye-bye.